Hi, I'm dear friends. This is VideoPad and I will show you how to add and animate the old film effect in VideoPad. So we have a video. Okay, let me mute it. Now, I will do right click of my mouse on the video on timeline and choose effects. And here I am choosing add effect, and between artistic effects I'm finding old film. Okay, now you see this is an old film effect. You can enable it or no, and there are few parameters here like black and white color, lines, spots, shakes, and you can animate all of them including the all video effect, like to choose it to be enabled or no. Okay, let's see. For example, let us animate the whole effect, whether it's enabled or no. Let's say I will choose first keyframe. At the very beginning it's enabled, and then in the middle of the clip I will choose new keyframe and I will make it to be not enabled, and at the very end, for example, it appears again. Okay, let us see how it works. You see movie is black, old, then it's normal, and then again old film. Okay, and additionally you can do the animation with all the parameters. For example, white and black, it's most visible. Okay, let's say at some place I will add keyframe, it will stop working and then working again. Here, for example, let's see. You see, firstly the video was not black and white, then it is black and white, but here you see it should be black and white, but the all effect is not working, so, and this parameter is not working too. So we have just usual video colored, no effects from the old video set are working, and here you see black and white video again. So that's it. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye.